Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, I'm inside here inside of PowerGroupTrades. I posted this June 11 Amazon plan. Let's take a look again. You want to get yourself inside of PowerGroupTrades. This is just more documented proof. Let's take a look together, people. All right, so as you can see here, Amazon can test 1740 to 1750 if we break over 1713, right? Which we did today, right? The June 15, 1700 calls could be used. Now, at the time, the 1700 calls cost $900. Here's what I said. Amazon needs to break over 1695 to confirm. So let's take a look at what's going on so far. All right, over 100% gains in Amazon. Let's go together, people. Go to the. Let me show you the confirmation. Let me close this again. Here you can see it here, right? And there's the date. I circle it. I showed this kind of work in my live stream. Now here you can see June 12th, Amazon confirming with the June 15 1700 calls at $1,100. Okay, so these are larger priced options, more than 100% gains. That means that a person doesn't need to buy as many options and yet can collect large gains. This takes bigger picture skills, right? You've got everything I do is selecting the right options. So here it is, right? Making the dollar bills, right? Let's take a look at the outcome today for June the 14th on Yahoo together, people. All right, so the close for July 14th was 1,723, and again, we're still up after hours, okay, and the move is still on. See, big picture skills, big picture plans, not little scalper skills like little stock clowns, out there. I'm the big picture expert. Yours true. I bang this out all the time. Anyways, let's look at it together, people. Let's look at it together. Enough of my 1700 calls. Let's move down here, okay? I'm going to show it in my charts as well, just to show you that it's the same thing, okay? So here's the 1700 calls, okay? Now, more than 100% large price gains so far, okay, because there's still more to go, right? You see what I said, my targets. If we crack 1714, we are going to go test. You see the numbers we're saying, right? Well, we're getting close to testing one of the targets, right? See, you've got to have big picture skills like yours truly, Power Trigger Trade. So here it is. It shows you the date, right? Just to show you through Yahoo. I mean, everything I do is bang on amazing. So look at this, right? That's the 14th, June the 14th, right? Ava zoom, boom. Look, lots of options trade. Look at 3,732 options. Open interest 7,022. And just for you to see, people, inside of my charts here, the Amazon 1,700 calls, June 15, $2,500, right? 3.7K traded, 7.2 open interest, right? So it shows you, same thing, just a different format like this, right? I got everything now. I'll probably be doing more and more things just in my charts, but to show you this here, alone today, okay, from yesterday's close, up 116%, okay? It's Power Trigger Trade, right? So that's why these options are about 120% gain so far. It's not over yet. You should be booking profits on some, right? On some of your position, right? So if you had two options, you should be selling one of the options, right? Or if you sold one already, you should be holding one and see what you get, then having stops, Anyways. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detailed plans. Listen, people, take a look at this. See, Twitter. Even my plan that gained 250% gains in the Twitter plan, it's actually 500% gains if you held it. But just to show you how correct I have been in the big picture and direction, while the stock clown bearish, or a lot of bearish clowns out there, You think that today, with the market doing so well, that Dan Zanger didn't have a bearish comment to say off the SPY, yet was wrong again? Where it counts? Of course, people. All right, people. One of the things I keep telling people is study my created playlist and a great documented video, easy to see. Check out my let's go together quickly to my website here, and you should see it's a little bit cut off here where I'm recording it, but see this Google L, you should check out this May 10th plan. Amazon again in March, right? Just like, just so many plans. Listen, people, I do this over and over again. Like, I'm just the best. See what I'm saying? Goldman Sachs, but we haven't been in Goldman Sachs lately, right? That was the last Goldman Sachs plan. And again, this is where I decimate and cremate the world record holder, again, where it counts, on the market direction, right? So, Power Trigger Trade, people, Power Trigger Trade, educating the people. All right, if you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Subscribe here manually. If you have one already, you're going to see a picture of me in a circle format. Let's see what I say. All right, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Target Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video!